There are many products available to choose car detailing towels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car detailing towels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Rag Company Premium Microfiber All-Purpose Towel. Excellent quality all-purpose microfiber cleaning towels with over 200,000 fibers per square inch. Use wherever dust, dirt, and liquids need to be quickly, easily, and safely eliminated. Also available in 14 inches by 14 inches and 16 inch by 16 inch sizes from the Rag Company Premium 80% polyester/20% polyamide blend, 365 GSM, proven softer, more absorbent, lint-free, and scratch-free than competitors' much less effective 90-10 blend. Number 2. Chemical Guys Edgeless Microfiber Towels. Chemical Guys Edgeless Microfiber Towels are some of the softest and most absorbent microfiber towels on the market. They are also very durable and can withstand multiple washings. These towels are ideal for polishing your car's paint and removing wax residue. Make sure you use clean towel when touching your car paint or wipe off the wax residue to minimize chances of scratching your car paint. Number 3. Griot's Garage PFM Terry Weave Drying Towel. Griot's Garage PFM Terry Weave Drying Towel is another great option for drying your car. It is made with a thick, plush microfiber that is gentle on your car's paint. This towel is also very absorbent and can hold up to a lot of water. Become a drying superhero with the most absorbent towel you'll ever use. It's so absorbent, it will pull rain from the clouds. Number 4. Wipeall Antibacterial Treated Microfiber Wipes, 6-pack. This set of 6 microfiber car cloths is treated with Microban, which can kill bacteria on contact without the need for additional cleaning solutions. This chemical treatment makes them perfect for regular cleaning of touch points inside the vehicle interior, especially if messy kids are involved. They work well for use inside the house, too. They can be used for scrubbing dry, or with water for added solvency. The pile height of this microfiber is longer than some other scrubbing cloths, but shorter than some dedicated drying towels. Overall, they are a happy medium of softness, scrubbing power, and absorbency. The manufacturer also states they last for up to 300 machine washes before needing replacement. Number 5. Detailer's Preference Microfiber Car Cloths. This kit is the best pick for people who work on cars, whether that's in a body shop or at a car wash. With a dozen bright blue cloths at 16 by 24 inches each, this pack is a terrific value. The suede-like pile height is relatively short, so they're more suited to scrubbing than fine detail work, but these do just fine drying off paint, mirrors, and windshields. The microfiber composition is 80% polyester and leaves minimal lint. Black satin stitching around the border ensures the cloth retains its shape across many uses and washes, which is a nice touch for anyone who uses microfiber cloths all day. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.